Okay, boys, here it's, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It is not negative 10, it's just 10 equals x. Because that means that in 10 weeks, he lost 20 pounds. So how many weeks will it take for Xavier to lose 20 pounds? So we said that it would take him 10 weeks for Xavier to lose 20 pounds. And if we were to go back over here, and if we were to have continued the graph, it would have told us that in 10 weeks, he would have lost 20 pounds. So that is what we got here. So that it says that this equation is correct and is the same information that is giving us right here and in the input and output table, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Once you are done with this problem, make sure you take a picture of your assignment and you submit it to Teams or submit it to one of your teachers. I will see you here tomorrow, guys, for English. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.